Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the free analysis of our New York session. So today I am looking to sell New Zealand CAD. As you can see, this is a very old resistance level coming from the month of August, and right now price is revolving around this region. Coming to the 15-minute, which is our trading time frame, I mean to say I used to take entries and place stop loss in this time frame. So I'm willing this price to come somewhat here, and I would love to place my stop loss here and take this up to this level. So let's see how this develops in the coming hours as New York is going to open after 30 minutes. So this is my idea behind New Zealand CAD. Next one is Pound USD. This I am looking for a sell. Let me show you the 4 hour. So this is at a resistance level. Price is here, and the 15-minute we can see a good sign of sellers are there. So willing to grab this as high as I can. I'm mean to say somewhat here, and putting my stop loss here, and then I would love to go up to here or maybe somewhat here. So let's see how this develops. If I get any good price action means the movement of price, then definitely I would be looking for a sell in this. My next pair and last one is EURCAD. This also I'm looking for a sell. This is coming from a very nearby zone of resistance. Although this is not looking so much good, this it has a risk of 50%. Still in the 4 hour, what we can see, it's in a clear downtrend. You can see the price going downwards. So willing to take it down. And again, as far as the positions and price action is concerned, I want this somewhat here and stop loss here. Then I would love to get this up to this level. So let's see how all these three pairs develops. That's all from my side for the New York session. Thank you.